Pull up, isometric, hollow body. If you're an adult gymnastic skill seeker who wants to increase the height of your strict pull-ups or unlock your first strict pull-up, check this out. Isometrics are an excellent tool for building strength in the range of motion trained, plus or minus about 10 degrees. For beginners, the top of the pull-up is where you want to start. For more advanced pull-up ninjas, the top of the pull-up is often a strength we need to improve. Here's how it works. Start by standing on an elevated surface that allows you to get your chest to the bar. Stay away from pulling up or jumping up to the top of the pull-up, as this won't allow you to achieve the same height or quality. Let me explain. Grip the pull-up bar with your knuckles on top of the bar and your thumbs wrapped under the bar. When you hang from the pull-up bar, your wrists will be in slight flexion, which helps to increase grip strength and lat activation. Bring your chest to the bar or as close as possible. Your upper body flexibility and strength can be a limiting factor here. Keep one foot on the elevated surface as you move the opposite leg into the hollow body shape. Now for the most important part. Lift your chest up and actively pull down on the pull-up bar by pinching your shoulder blades back and down. Contract your lats and biceps. You want to feel tension in these areas before you take the remaining foot off the elevated surface and move into the full hollow body shape. As you do this, try not to lose height in your pull-up. If you do, that's okay, but do your best to minimize it. Now for the fun part. Hold the isometric hollow body pull-up for the prescribed time. Then lower yourself to a dead hang before letting go of the bar. Depending on your goals and the training phase, you can hold the isometric pull-up for 10 to 60 seconds. Performing 3 to 5 sets of 10 to 15 second holds is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.